Good morning. This is Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing, with today's pre-opening grain and livestock comments for Thursday, the 30th, 2025. We're on the long-awaited meeting. And let me say this. We had a 44-cent range last night in soybeans. If you were up last night trading soybeans, bullish or bearish, you probably had some losses. We were sharply lower until about 6:15, and then I'm looking as to the reason why we rally 35, 40 cents at 615 from uh, uh, standpoint. There's been no clear estimate, no clear commitment as to exactly how much uh, China's going to buy. They're thinking 8 million to 12 million metric tons, but there's nothing signed on paper. It's a memo of understanding. Right now, soybean meal and soybeans coming out of Brazil are cheaper for China. So uh, we'll have to see how this all shakes out. But just continued volatility of, like I said, a 44-cent range last night. We're trading at around 1109 after trading it as low as 1070. Right. So that's all I can really say about that. I would just call this stupid trading. We can end the day back down at 1070, or we can end it here. I have no idea. Nobody really knows. It's kind of like driving 100 miles an hour in reverse. Looking in the rearview mirror, we could change very, very quickly. So this is a reason why, if you are a producer or a hedger, this is why your best bet is using options. If you used futures last night, I don't care who you were, you got stopped out on a 40-cent swing. 40-cent swing in beans. So we'll see how we trade today. We are running up against resistance in 2026 beans and 2026 corn. If you don't know what I'm talking about, if you want to find out more, sign up, get my letter. I did do the client podcast yesterday, posted that on the client, the backside of the my homepage, where you go in there. If you're a subscriber or a client, you can go in and listen and watch. Spend about a half hour going through all the moves and all the adjustments that we've made in our hedges based on just going into this report, right? We'd had a tremendous rally in corn and beans, which we used to take advantage of it by catching up on sales, making sales. We're going ahead and starting to look ahead for 2026, like I told you. I also dug deep into the retracements that we had in the cattle. And if you don't know what that means, if you want to learn more about how technical stuff can help you make better decisions, and I'll just predicate it with this. Yeah, I understand that there are a lot of people that don't like technicals. I understand that there's the oceans are littered with the floors of captains who had charts. But uh, failing to look at these charts, especially if you've got risk in the market, I think it's a mistake. I think the more information you have, the better. A lot of these levels do attract uh, a lot of buying and selling, which is why I focus on them. And at the end of the day, my whole program is about defending your grain, defending your livestock until you make the sale, right? You're locked into being long. So this program's, I'm not sitting here telling you this is the high, this is the low. I'm telling you what I would do to reward rallies. When the soybeans rally $1.20 off its low, when we rally $1 a month, what do you want to do to reward that? When corn rallies 45 cents off the lows and gets back to the middle of the year's trading range, what do you want to do about that? When wheat is for no reason but is just chasing corn, what do you want to do about that? So that's what this program is built on. There's plenty of people out there that are CTAs, commodity trading advisors. They'll tell you they'll take your money and make 30, 40%. Hey, have a ball, go after it. What we're trying to do here is help you make better cash deals. So on that note, this is Chris Robinson, 312-638-8868. If you're looking for help, give me a call. Go to my website. You can sign up for my daily letter. If you don't like it, you can always delete it, block it. It's I'm a free markets person. If you like my information, keep it. If you don't, shut it down. Have a good rest of the day. Give me a call if you need help. 312-638-8868.